All right, so now we're making the clean den. If you don't like dirty dens and you want to keep it clean, this is the one for you. Start with ice, as always, and then we got 25ml spice rum, and then 25ml vodka, 15ml of lime juice, then we go 5 milliliters of vanilla syrup, and 15 of each grenadine, and passion fruit syrup. Now onto the purees. We got a passion fruit puree, which we're going to do 20ml, and then we go with the mango puree. All this together is creating a nice sweet flavour while the lime is cutting that, making it not too sweet. And then we add the important pineapple juice to cut all the alcohol and that sugar. We've got 35 mils in there. Right, now we go hard shake. Now we get our highball filled up with ice. Nice. Straw in. Always taste the cocktail. Lovely. In the bin. Now pour. Empty that shaker in there. Pineapple garnish. And we're set. Clean den.